Hello beautiful people, welcome to Rishal Teach. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you easily replace your iPhone battery by yourself. Don't need to go anywhere. By watching this video you can easily replace your phone battery by yourself. So don't skip any second of this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's have a look. So beautiful people, you can see here is our iPhone 11 we have, and this phone battery was dead. So right now we are going to replace this phone battery. By watching this video you can replace any iPhone battery, so look carefully. So now we are going to open this phone. Looks carefully. First we are going to open this screw which will help us to open this phone. There is two screws beside charging port. Looks carefully, and I'm gonna open those. After opening those screws, now we are going to open this phone display. Looks carefully how I'm opening it. If it's not open easily, you can use heat gun. So you can see right now I'm using a tool which has helped me to open this phone display carefully. So you can see this phone display open easily. So now we are going to open this host battery. So looks carefully. We are going to open those screw which is connected this battery with motherboard. So carefully you have to open this. After opening all those necessary screws, now we are going to open this host battery. Now we are going to use some alcohol that will help us to open this battery from motherboard easily, as there is a sticky glue which is help this battery to adjust with motherboard. So here is our old battery. Now we are going to prepare our new battery. So here is our new one. We are going to replace this new battery into our phone. Now we are going to put this phone into battery board. You have to adjust this battery with battery board carefully. Then you have to connect with board that plug. Now we are going to check this phone battery. So guys, you can see this phone battery is working. So now we will check different way. If it's work properly, then we will continue our work. After check this phone several way, we think this phone battery is fine. So now we will going to continue our work. Before starting work, we will switch off this phone again. So guys, you can see here is our new battery. So now we will open this phone backside plastic which will help us to adjust this battery with the board. Just place this battery on the board and press it, then it will adjust with the board. After adjusting new battery carefully, now we will adjust those screw in right place. So guys, look carefully. We will adjust the screw which will place our battery into motherboard. So our screw placement complete. Now we are going to complete this work. And now we are going to remove this plastic. Now look carefully how we place this battery on the board. So beautiful people, right now our battery replacement complete. I hope that by watching this video you can easily replace your phone battery by yourself. I hope you don't need to go anywhere. You can easily replace your phone battery from your home. Now we are going to put those screws, then our battery replacement will be fully complete. So now we will check this phone again. If it's worked properly, then we think we are success to replace this phone battery.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you had any kind of problem with your phone or phone settings, just drop a comment in comment section. Also you can mail us. Here is our mail. That's all for today. Cheerio.